Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
This not good at all. We see school burn down and fire chat now about it. I thought bomb blood clot. It's not good. Mr. Medina, I'm better than 18 months like a shot. I'm not so.
I don't like electrical room that there.
No.
No.
I do not.
So that is Seaforth High School in St. Thomas. And the biggest question right now I ask is if school are going to keep for Monday morning. You see me? A whole heap of picnic get affected. You see? Yes, school is going to be keeping Monday morning according to the MP and councillors for that division. You see what I say? Them are going to do some clean. Them start to clean up from today and I'll do it right over Sunday to make sure so these kids them have school for Monday morning because they have some external examination and you don't know say end of year examination are coming. So I say, you see, so I just 2 classroom burnt out. 2 classroom and the art department them place the burnt out with all kind of documents and them things. Them said the fire was started by an electrical shortage. You see me? Yeah, electrical shortage. You see what I say? From about early in the morning, you know, about 4:30 to 5, you know, residents then get phone call or they get a shout out, say fire there at the high school, and then responded to it and then call the fire brigade, and the fire brigade said that them get it under control before 5:30. So you don't know a thing, Gary, you see me? But you don't know as always, me always just keep on posted. So if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Skilla and this you just see a dancer Skilla ENT. You'll big up on yourself, you see.